Check out this 2011 Toyota Avalon Base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 9 speakers, MP3 decoder, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.